Every week, be sure to flush the canisters and brewer, wipe down the cup area, clean the drip tray, dump out the water, and replace the trash bag. Every month, clean the canister parts. It will be helpful to have a tub on hand to place the parts in when washing. We recommend leaving your machine on so the water doesn't cool off. Begin by opening the door to access the inside of the machine. Mark each tube with the letter where they belong. Then pull out the tubes, except for D. D stays. Next, remove the spouts here. Then remove these 5 funnels by pulling out. Now move over to the brewer assembly. Twist the water hose connection to the left and pull out. Lift up and pull off this front metal cover. Pop off the sealing rod from the lift arm at the top of the brewer. Put your finger below the spherical connection and push it toward you. Slide up these 2 levers on the right of the brewer so you can remove it. Disassemble the brewer so you can wash it in the sink. To access the drip tray grill, unhook the tube and unlatch the cover here to remove the drip tray grill. This part will need to be washed with hot water and dish soap. Use hot water and dishwashing soap to clean these coffee machine parts. When rinsing the brewer, make sure water can flow out of this hole. Use alcohol to clean off the inside of the machine here and over here in the cup dispense area. Reassemble these pieces together that catch any extra liquid from the dispenser. Put the drip tray grill back in place here. Put the drain tube back in here and secure the latch. Finish wiping down the cup chute area. Put the brewer assembly together and place it back onto the machine. Make sure it is placed on the 2 pins sticking out here and into the hole at the top. Snap the sealing rod back in place by pushing it toward the machine and onto the lift arm. Place the bottom filter onto the pins here. Once the brewer assembly is back in place, push these tabs down. Next, place the brewer assembly cover back on. Reattach the water hose. Twist it to the right to secure. Give a tug to make sure it is correctly in place. Reassemble the funnels and place them in the correct slots. Snap into place. The top fits into the slots on the side. Make sure the tubes are placed on the side of the funnel that is open and not the side that is closed. Make sure the tubes are completely attached so there is no leaking. When reattaching the spouts, make sure they are pointing in the correct direction. These pieces go with the brewer. The part of the spout with the slot openings goes into the canister. The straight spout goes into A. Canister B and C need spouts that go diagonally into the funnel. Canister E needs a straight spout. This example is wrong because the mix will go outside the funnel. Next, perform a water flush on the machine's canisters and brewer. This should be done weekly. Press here to flush the canisters. If there's leaking, turning the machine's power off will stop the water. Once the canister flush is complete, then flush the brewer. Be sure to dump out your water bucket and replace the trash bag. Clean the inside of the machine cabinet with alcohol and a rag. For more assistance, visit VenNetUSA.com.